that's the opaka boiling. Hi everybody, this is Mom and Ben's Kitchen, and today I'm doing our African specialty. Well, what I'm doing today is abacha, African salad, tapioca, whatever you call it. So my ingredients, we are ready to start. I'm just waiting for Divine. This, see, this is the opaka. What I've done to the opaka, I've just seasoned it a little bit. So I took it out from the freezer, cooked straight from the freezer, and then I put Maggi, pepper, and a little bit of oil. Just in case you're outside Nigeria, I discovered this Nigeria flavor palm oil. I don't know who owns this company. They didn't pay me for this. Find them and tell them to give me this money. Come and pay me for this advertisement. Honestly, if you're in UK, London, America, I'm not sure about other places, Jumbo UK, actually it says UK, Jumbo UK, Nigerian palm oil. It's amazing. Doesn't leave aftertaste at all. It's good. It works. So this is what I'm going to use. Now, what I've done, I have put my spices. This is Oda. They're all medicinal. Majority of them are for pepper soup. These are my pepper soup spices. I love using it for the abacha. I have Uda, I have Oziza, and I have Ehuru, all blended, all mashed together. And then I'm gonna add this is Maggi and no cube, so I'm gonna add it to it as well. Once I'm ready, I hardly put salt, even I know the Maggi and all that has got everything. So once I'm ready, I'm going to fry all this with this onion, a bowl of onion. I'm going to chop it, put everything in here, and then fry the onion with all this, and then and then this will be ready. I'll pour everything and I will add the abacha. Are you ready? This is what works for me. I don't know about you. Okay, so I'm going to show you once this is ready how we go about it. And this is the abacha. This is the abacha I'm going to use, already dry, right? Cassava. You know, from this cassava, this actually, in fact, this is the end product of that cassava, gari, akpu, and other things that they do from this. This is, in fact, our African food. We are rich in different areas. So this is the end product of that cassava. I'm going to tell you, if you want to know more about it, I'm going to probably tell you where you can find the actual product from. So this is what I'm going to melt. I'm going to actually pour hot water on it just to give it a soft, because it's dry. I'm going to make it soft, and then I will mix everything. Okay. Now this is the pepper, onion, ehu, uziza, and uda. Everything all mixed together with the onion, blend it together. I'm going to add crayfish, and then once it's done, the abacha will start mixing. Okay, it's quite easy. This is still cooking. Yeah, this is the main ingredients, which is the opaka. And once everything is done, we'll start mixing. I don't want the onions to be too fried, so I'm going to stop it and then wait for the opaka. Once the opaka is done, we'll start mixing. Very easy. That's the abacha. I've actually poured water into it, and it's good to go now. See, just after the water, it just softens it, and then we are good to go. This is the oil that I'll be mixing, not too much, and then that's the opaka nearly done. Right, this is done. I didn't want Benny, come closer. I didn't want the onion to be too fried. So this is it. Onion, all the ingredients really. The onion, the pepper, oda, otazi, and then the ehuru. This is done. So I'm going to go ahead. I need the water. I need the water to make this a bit juicy. So I'm going to go and turn it off. And then it's time to pour the tapioca. Let's see. It's always good to stir as you pour. Jesus, stir as you pour. See, I didn't want to make too much. I'm always burning myself. See? As I'm turning it, I've not added salt yet. So I like using this because it feels like I'm using my hand. So what I will do now, come closer. So, see. Ooh. See. This is it. If you want to, you can put the light on while it's on.
So as you can see, guys, Mom has finished making the abacha. It looks really nice and it smells really good as well. Yes, please.
Benjamin wants to taste. Okay.
C'est un très bien.
It's nice, eh?
C'est un très
I don't want to put too much salt because of Daddy.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
So
So
what do you think, cameraman?
So good. Yes. This is it. I didn't put ogiriede because if I put ogiriede in this thing,
Smell.
all the fly in this neighborhood will visit. They will come visiting annoyingly. So I didn't want to. I don't want to put ogiriede. I just made it. All the ingredients you saw. That's it. That's it. So we're going to get the fish ready and then we will jam up.
We're gonna chop it.
We're gonna chop it.
Yeah.
Consumption, quality consumption. And this is Mom and Benjamin's son. I see you don't like camera, no problem. Nobody see your face. What about that? Love you guys. Whoa, that's the scambiance ready. Whose one is this one?
Daddy's one.
Daddy's.